Pet hair spray hair dryer. 3 levels of adjustment. Wind speed and temperature can be controlled as you wish. Super strong wind, quick drying without pressure. 135-degree angle massage needle comb. Mass noise reduction design. Pets can enjoy it without resistance. One comb for multiple uses, suitable for large, medium, and small dogs and cats. Spray design can add water. One-touch spray to protect hair. Advanced care for smooth hair. Rotating head design turns into a hair dryer in seconds. Flat nozzle, quick drying. Air concentrating nozzle for drying hard to dry corners such as paws. Welcome contact with us.